You want to do the fade away? I mean, latest flame through the new solo part? Yeah. Pay you back someday.
Very well in my monitor. Thank you.
Anders, is your mic off?
1, 2.
Can I have a little more of Anders' mic, please?
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4, 1.
Yeah, I need a little more of his, cause, yeah.
1, 2, ready, you know what to do. One hen, 2 ducks. 1 hen, 2 ducks, 3 squawking geese. 1 hen, 2 ducks, 3 squawking geese, 4 limerick oysters. 1 hen, 2 ducks, 3 squawking geese, 4 limerick oysters, 5 corpulent porpoises.
407 years ago. We the people, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessing. We the people, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote general welfare and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity. Do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. Some Saturday morning cartoons.
Schoolhouse Rock. I was in that show.
Were you?
Like a children's version.
As a
of it.
kid, yeah?
Yes.
Well, there's orange juice and milk right here, just ready to be taken. And bless my soul, right here's a bowl with one cold piece of steak in. Hard-boiled egg or chicken leg or cheese and luncheon meat, or a peanut butter sandwich. Any time of the day is a treat. So to keep your mouth from grumbling and keep your feet from stumbling and keep your stomach from grumbling when you play, you've got to eat some kind of breakfast every day. Time for timer. I'm just a bill, yes, I'm only a bill, and I'm stuck here at Capitol Hill.
Hey. Hello.
It's alright if you don't. I'm not afraid of you running away, honey. I get the feeling you won't. We the people, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice and security as best.
Do you wanna do dueling?